The Polycom phone is user-friendly and features multiple buttons to access the functions of the phone. We will first go over all the physical buttons on the phone, starting from left to right. The transfer button, which will allow you to transfer calls to another person. The voicemail button. Once you push this button, you'll be prompted for the voicemail PIN. If you have not already set up your voicemail PIN, please refer to your welcome email that you should have received to complete your setup. The hold resume button. Pushing this button will put the call on hold only on your phone. In order to pick up the phone, hit the hold resume key again. The headset button. Pushing this button will activate your headset if you have one plugged into your phone. The speakerphone button. Pushing this button will activate the speakerphone and turn green. Pushing this button when you have an active speakerphone call will hang up the call. The mute button. Pushing this button will mute the microphone so the caller cannot hear you. If the mute is active, the button will light up red.